Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's random reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button down below. I got a ton of product reviews coming out to you guys. Lots of stuff you don't want to miss out on. It took me a while to find this product because I need it specifically, so I had to sift through a lot to find it. I've got a ton more stuff coming out. Now, the reason I had to find this product is because I actually bought it a while ago to review. I just hadn't gotten the chance. But as you could probably tell, I've had my ears pierced for probably about 6 months now, something like that. And unfortunately last night, while in the pool, I suffered a casualty and one of them went missing. So basically today's product is something that I found on eBay for just a couple dollars, and they are basically LED earrings that you could put in your ears, of course. And apparently they have like built-in LED lights. Now I'm using these because I need a placeholder so the hole doesn't close up. But I've got these. If they've got LEDs, even cooler. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, so here is the product. It does come in pretty standard eBay packaging. It is the bubble wrap type to keep these things protected. We're going to use this little multi-tool plier knife to open this bad boy up. Feel around just so we know we're not damaging anything we shouldn't be. Alright, so you can get these in just one or two. It'll clearly be a different price if you're just getting one. We got everything out of the package, and I needed two because I have two piercings. So I need one in each ear. Of course, they're going to come packaged separately because it's basically you just buying two of the same product. It just normally comes in one. So they do come in some little bags here, which is always great. You've got your little earring, as you can see right there. And then you've also got this little back strap thing, I believe is what that is. How this thing... Okay. Oh, guys, what? You gotta see this. So all I did was press it in more. That's what that was. That was a little copper contact that when you press it in more, turns it on. And you've got the LEDs going. That's kind of fancy. I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely something I wouldn't have on all the time. It's as simple as pushing this thing in, and then you've got the lights going. That is really fancy. Like, it's really simple to do, and you've got the lights going on it. It looks nice, I'm not gonna lie. It does have a nice look. The diamond looks pretty nice too. Again, these things are just a few dollars. Definitely something you could work with because it's really cheap, and it's one of those things that you would wear for, like, I don't know, you're going somewhere where you want some lights, so you go ahead and press that in, and you've got lights on your ears, and you are all set. So let me put these bad boys on, and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, now let's talk about these earrings. They're a little tedious to get on because there's not a lot of room to play. I did find out that these little stoppers, or if you don't want to have the LED part of the actual earring, you don't have to. You can remove that and just have a normal stopper and it'll just be regular earrings. But what is the fun in that? You bought them for the LED nature, and the LED nature is what you deserve. They are so simple to turn on, it's ridiculous. The problem is that you won't know if they're on without you knowing it. So I wouldn't suggest really like sleeping with these in without, because you're gonna kill the battery pretty quick, because if you put too much pressure on one ear, then all of a sudden you're being lit up. And I'm pretty sure these are on right now. So this one's on. Let me see. Yes, it's definitely on. That's the only way you can really tell is to like put your hand up next to your face. This one is clearly not on. You can see they do kind of look nice. They're not bad looking for sure. They're only a couple dollars, so don't expect amazing quality. This is what it looks like in the light. We'll go ahead and turn the other one on. It'd be really hard to sync them up and have them do the same thing because they actually do random things, so they're kind of both going to be doing their own thing, which is a little odd, which is why it probably comes normally in just one, but I still kind of like it because, you know, they're LEDs on my face. And you guys know I love LEDs. So let's go ahead and turn the light off, let you guys see what these things look like in the dark. Now it's not really that dark, but it's dark enough for you to be able to see that these things actually put off a decent amount of light. Like, they really do have a brightness to them, and you'll definitely be catching some people's eyes with these things. This is what they look like in the dark. Nice bright LEDs. They are multicolored, so I mean, there's not really any way to get a specific color to just stay, which is unfortunate, but they're only a couple bucks, and you've got flashing lights on your face attached to you. It's good stuff. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review of these multicolor LED earrings. If you want to get your own, I'll pop a link to it in the description. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button right down here. If you want to check out the last video I did, it's up there, and if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it's up there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.